So this is my second video. I decided to do it on a really nice day where I live, basically in an area where I spend a lot of my time when I'm free, which is by the beach. I'm lucky in that I live by the seaside in the UK, and when the weather's good, it's just amazing. It really is. And I've used the good weather as an opportunity to really test out the hair system, because it does get very windy where I live as well. So it does offer a test or a challenge to the system, and it's stood up to that test so far. What I have noticed is that because I wear a poly thin, ultra thin skin, when it's windy, it does need rebonding more often, maybe once a week, compared to what I was doing twice a week before. One other thing that I've learnt is to always leave at least 24 hours after your rebonding before you have a shower or put conditioner on your hair, because otherwise the conditioner gets into the glue and it loosens it and the system comes up again, especially at the front. And I learnt that this morning, so that's a mistake I'm not going to be making again. But yeah, I'll see if you can see out there. Behind those trucks is the seaside, and it's a lovely hot day in the UK. The wind's been blowing, and it's blown my hair My hair was quite tidy this morning, but the wind has had its way, and but it still looks okay. You know, it still looks fine. It still feels comfortable. The fact that it's blonde as well in summer, I think blonde just works quite well. It can really give you, if you're looking for the surfer look or the just got out of bed look, it can really give you that option. But yeah, so far, you know, I'm pretty happy with, you know, how things are going with the system. At the moment, I'm using Ghost Bond. Giuseppe, he posted me a new bond, which was, it's a see-through bond. So it's a see-through clear adhesive, which I'm going to start using probably from next week onwards when I do a rebond and a clean. He's also sent me some tape, so I'm going to be trying that out. So it's Walker's blue tape, which I haven't used before. I've only used red tape and the ultra, the mini tapes that Walker's offer, and both are quite good. So I'm anticipating that the blue tape will be pretty good as well. I think I will be wearing the thin skin. I'll see how much life I can get out of it. I'm aiming for 2 to 3 months. I think 2 to 3 months is realistic if you take good care of it, which I have been doing so far. So I think maybe I've been wearing it about 2 to 3 weeks. I think I can get another 2 months out of it. Maybe even 2.5, we'll see. But I'm going to keep posting. I'm going to keep sharing my journey. Today I'm going to be doing some things on my laptop. I'm going to be sitting on the beach with the wind in my hair, knowing that the wind isn't going to destroy or disrupt my system, because it's a good system, it's well made, the adhesive is good, and yeah, I just find wearing a polythin skin very comfortable, easy to wear, easy to clean. You know, this morning, because I rebonded last night, and then this morning I had a shower, put conditioner on, and I had a bit come up at the front, which is why I learned that you should give it at least 24 hours before having a shower after rebonding. But it was really easy. You know, the cleanup was easy, took about 10-15 minutes. Just put some cotton wool balls where the glue was and peeled that off. Nice and simple. Put a bit of adhesive remover on, just wiped my scalp, made sure it was absolutely clean. I wiped the base of the system as well with adhesive remover. The glue came off nice and easily, and then I reapplied some glue onto my scalp. I put about 3 layers on this time because I wanted the hold to be good. And then I left for about 5 to 7 minutes. I always emphasize it's really important to wait at least 5 to 7 minutes for the glue to cure and go dry. It's so important, guys. I can't underestimate that enough. Because otherwise the glue will appear white under your system, and you don't want that because it's going to make it look fake. So give it time to cure, give it time to dry, and then reapply, and it looks really nice and natural. So yeah, I will. I'm definitely going to make some more videos in the future. Wearing my poly thin skin. I'm going to be making when I move over to my next systems, which are going to be Swiss lace, and the colour of the hair is darker to match my more normal hair colour. So it'll be my first Swiss lace that I'm trying, so I'm quite excited. I've heard a lot of good things as far as undetectability is concerned, as far as comfort is concerned. I know cleanup can take a little bit longer and it can be a bit harder, but on the flip side of that, the bond can be stronger than an ultra thin skin. So yeah, I will be trying that in the next couple of months, and I'm probably I'm going to see how much longer I can get out of this system. But yeah, so far so good, and now I'm going to enjoy the beach.